Hello! Yo, what's up? So yeah, I promised I would do a video on a topic, and check this out. I can do filters. So, just pick. Uh, 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 I, I don't want to come. I don't want to come. You're gonna make me come. Wait, if you're watching this, bring your face up to the screen. Bring it up to the screen and open your mouth. Go cross-eyed, look up and stick out your tongue and stick it. Okay, so we're gonna be going over, I think, breaker blocks because like I've had issues learning what they are kinda, and recently I think I have a good grasp of them, and I think me just saying it out loud and going over it in a video would help me understand them even more. So let's let's do that. I guess we could just stay in the hourly. Alright. So let's go over here. Let's look for like yeah, right here. Alright, cool. So how do you actually no, first we'll do what they are. So I know I'm like copying TJR, but look, if you learn from me, that's good, you know? Sometimes you need multiple people telling you it, other things like that. Um, you know, it is what it is. Anyways, so I'm gonna be doing breaker blocks. Yeah. So what is a breaker block? A breaker block is kind of like, people say a failed order block, but I just say, I guess they say it's a failed order block because let's say you're in an uptrend, right, like this, and let's say that here's liquidity, right? Like that's what you're trying to sweep out, and then dun, 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 you sweep it out, and then it goes down, right? Basically, this would be the order block, right? The move up right there would be the order block, and then, you know, price could come back up, react to it, boom. Anyways, so the reason some people call them failed order blocks is because let's say you're in an uptrend, right? And let's say liquidity's here, right? This is the level you're trying to sweep out. Let's say price goes like this and then gets a reaction off of liquidity. Basically, they're saying it's a failed order block because like technically the price could have stopped here and been swept, and then this would be the order block, but it kept going a little bit and now this is the order block, right? And so in doing so, basically price was able to push down to these levels, and then maybe there's like a fair value gap, so you get like a reaction right here, and then maybe price chops up right here a little bit, and then, you know, it just starts going down. God damn it. Anyways, yeah, you know, like it could start going down there, and then that would be the order block, but it's not because this was. So basically, it's like a retracement, pretty much. Although it's not the retracement, because the down would be the retracement. If a retracement was going with the trend, like, so if you're in a downtrend, right, like you're going down, obviously these up movements are going to be the retracements, but the order block would be this move down before the move up after liquidity sweep, but this would be the failed one. So I kind of say they're like the retracements that go with the trend. You feel me? Anyways, if that makes sense. They're where price had the potential to be an order block and fill orders for the break of structure, but it didn't. So that's why they say it failed. I wouldn't say it failed. It just happened to not be it. It's not like they ever were an order block. So what does this look like on the chart? So right here, we have this liquidity sweep right here, right? Let's see if we can see one. Oh, I just got tired. I got my boom boom stick, y'all. Hold up. Oh fuck. Wait. Why do we wait, what do you why do you call it a shower thought if you're not even in the shower? Is it still a shower thought? Uh anyways, so now I'm a little confused myself because I'm wondering, could any retracement that goes along with the trend be an order block? So matter of fact, I'll go research that and get back to y'all. Okay, so right here, this would be an order block, right? Like this move down right here. Why? Because basically we think that like we moved down, right? And then right in this level, we were able to fill a ton of buy orders. So an order block would be like, okay, so when we revisit this level, we're going to get a reaction from more buy orders. But that didn't happen, right? So instead, we here. So instead, we just sell all the way through, right? So now we know that in this price range where previous buy orders were filled, there are no more buy orders. So price comes out of it, revisits it. So now we and then gets a reaction off of it. So now we know that it's full of sell orders instead of buy orders. And that's why when price revisited it, we were able to see more sell orders. So same thing with like a downtrend, right? Let's say, by the way, some people would consider this move like this move up before the liquidity is the order block, right? So let's say we went boom, boom, boom. This would be the order block in my thing, right? Blah, blah, blah. But some people would consider every move up an order block, which I don't do. But, right, so we can assume that, so we sell down in this little area so that more buy orders could be filled, right? No. Now that we broke through it and we revisit it, we can assume that there's only going to be sell orders there because all the buy orders are out because we broke through it. So price will tap into it and then continue down. Same thing with a downtrend, right? So you go like this, right? Move up before the liquidity sweep, right? So it's like that, the move up. So this area, and then we're gonna assume that all the sell orders in here are out, right? Oh my god, I keep on, whoa, I keep on doing the same shit. All right, sorry. So, okay, wow. So we go like that, right? So this move down before the move up, right? This would be the order block. So we got bought out of it, right? So now if price were to come back down out of it, we can assume that all these buy orders were filled, and since it came all the way down, there are no more buy orders in this area. So if we revisit this, we know there's no big resting orders here, so that price will continue to go down, right? Does that make sense? I did it again. This is your fault, bro. You price comes up, right? We have this move down. No, we have this move up before the move down. Wow. We have this move down before the move up, so we know there's buy orders. Oh my god. I actually can't think right now. Alright, so we have move up, and then move down, and then boom. So we have this move up before the move down. Right. We have that move up before the move down. Okay. So we okay. We have this move down. Whatever. We have this move down before the move up. So when price comes up, bro, I'm having a brain fuck. I've done the same thing 10 times in a row now. I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna get my shit together and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so after like a 2-second break, I got it. Wow, now I seem like the most untrustworthy person to be telling you this, but who cares? I'll redo the video in the future and when I'm having higher quality videos. If you see it now, good for you, man. Fuck you. Fuck you! Anyways, so we have this move up before the move down, right? So we could say this is an order block where sell orders were being able to be filled. But if we break through it, we can assume all the sell orders are gone. So if we revisit it, buy orders will push it out. And then vice versa, we have this move down before the move up, and then we broke through it. So we can assume all of these buy orders have been filled. There's no more big resting buy orders. So if we revisit this area, only sell orders will be filled and will be continued to push down. Okay. Now, what does this look like on a chart? So, let's go to I liked yesterday. So, right. So we have so we have this liquidity sweep, right? Boom, we have that high, right? It gets taken out. So what is it safe to assume? Safe to assume that this move up, right, all through here, this is where this is where that these sell orders were able to be going through, right? So because we came up into here, these sell orders were able to come through, right? We come out of it, and so, oh my god, this video is getting no views. Holy fucking, if they do, I'm gonna get clown. Oh my god. We have this move down before the move up that caused a liquidity sweep, right? So we sold off to here so that buy orders could be performed. But then when we broke through this and we revisit it, it is safe to assume that there are no more buy orders, so we will come out of it, right? This is kind of a shitty example, but like price continued down anyways, and you'd have your stop loss up here. Let me find a better one. Damn, this might be the worst video ever filmed in like mankind ever. And I apologize. So let's just do like maybe like right here, right? Let's see, we have boom, 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 boom. This move up that caused the liquidity sweep, right? So we have this move up that was caused these sell orders that caused a liquidity sweep, right? So this would be an order block. So we would assume that if price revisited it, we would sell off even more. But no, price broke through it with this candle. So now we know, okay, there's no huge selling orders resting in here. So this becomes a breaker block, right? So from that point, when price comes out of it, we can assume if it touches back into it, since there's no more sell orders, it will be bought back through, right? You can see that again here. Boom, freaking runs up all the way up, right? That is what a bullish example will look like. You heard? You get that? Now, some people, since they call every move an order block, they would be like, okay, this is an order block, right? They'd be like, this is an order block. They'd be like, this is an order block. They'd be like, this is an order block. Right, so as you can see, they're like, okay, all of these are order blocks, but since every single one of these was broken through, they'd be like, oh, these are all breaker blocks, so maybe we can, you know, go long off of these, have our stop loss at the bottom one. Sorry, our stop loss at the bottom one, targeting whatever you want. You know, enter off one that breaks through off the next candle. So let's say we broke through here, enter off that candle right there, stop loss below, target whatever you want. That's what like some people would do, but I would just consider, I don't consider every single one an order block, so that wouldn't be the case for me. But that's kind of what a breaker block is. It's a price range where one order was able to be filled, right? So buy or sell, but then price broke through that level, right? So if it was buy or sell, we know those won't be able to be filled, like they're all gone, so that when we revisit that price range, the opposite of the order that was being filled will happen. So if it was a place where buy orders were able to be filled and it got broken through, then we can assume when it revisits, it will only be sell. And if it was a sell order block and then it gets broken through, then we can assume that when we revisit, we will be bought out of it. Okay. I'm gonna try to find like one or two more good examples of this. Let me just throw this on. I like this indicator because I could just find New York session super easily, right? So right here. Jeez. So we have this liquidity sweep, right? And then, so we're going to be like, okay, we have this move up before the move down as a order block, right? So now we'll be like, okay, so maybe if price revisits where buy orders were able to be filled, we will get a reaction off of it, bought up more. No, since it was broken through, or I can't do this. Oh, God. So where sell orders were able to be filled, it wasn't bought through, it's not a breaker block. This is an order block, I'm sorry. I'm so out of it. I did a lot of shit today, bro. It was late. I'm sorry. I know it's daytime. You can see that right there. You're probably like, you fucking bullshitter, fuck. I've done a lot today, and I'm on no sleep. Alright, okay. So that's an order block, right? So maybe this move... Alright, just give me a second. I'm just trying to get a video out. If you like me as a human and you watch my videos, thanks. To anyone who's just trying to learn what a breaker block is and doesn't know who I am, because no one does, because I have 4 subscribers, I'm sorry that you clicked on this video and wasted your fucking time. Shit. Anyways, let's try to find some more. Okay. So we have this buy order, right? Push up before the push down. That way. Sell orders were able to be consumed, right? And now you can see it doesn't work every time, right? So when we revisit it, we'll be like, okay, oh, we broke through. And then, you know, we re-enter, and then, so we're going to assume we're going to be bought out. No, it went through. They don't all work. They don't work every time. Okay, we have this cell area, right? Right. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm uploading this video. I don't care. I did the drawings. You could understand what a breaker block is from that. If you watch to this point, bro, you're wasting your time, and it probably won't be shit because you're sitting here wasting your time. Obviously, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. I'm tired. Goodbye.